dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. I don't wanna be without you.
Hey guys, welcome to my bed. Can you see?
That's cute.
That's what she said.
It's humongous.
She sells
Seashells,
seashells
sisters,
down by
down by
the sea store.
seashore.
Good job. She sells seashells.
She sells seashells.
It's a tongue twister, ain't it? Seesaw, seesaw, she sells seashells down by the sea store. It snowed. I have to go shovel. Do I have my package here? No. I have a package of... You're all done with your grapes? Okay, can you finish your peanut butter? I have a package of vitamins that are supposed to be here tomorrow. You guys, I bought myself this beautiful crock pot a while ago as a gift to myself. I currently have chicken. Well, I'm currently in the making of chicken noodle soup. And there I have my broth, my veggies, and my chicken. And it's on high, and I'm cooking that for 4 hours.
Did you wake up? I did.
You woke up a while ago.
Yeah.
But you guys, our soup is done, and it looks so delicious. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. When I'm with you. Can't get enough of this, being with you, it's like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this, being with you, it's a never-ending sunshine. You got your high heels on, and I'm wearing my worn out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want is you. You make my world spin round and round. Sometimes I don't know what to do, cause my heart starts racing when I'm with you. Can't get enough of this, being with you, it's like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes.
Now I'll show you how I like some of the memories. I like to spin in my tray.
Whoa, so beautiful. You okay? Are you itchy?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I love scratches. I don't know, baby.
You guys, she is obsessed with climbing on the cat tower. I'm really surprised she hasn't, like, knocked it over. She's came close to knocking it down a couple times.
What is on here?
What number is that?
K?
What number is that?
4?
4. What color is that?
Red.
And what shape is that?
A circle.
Good job.
And it doesn't go in here.
It goes in the circle, silly.
Oh yeah.
Woohoo!
Oh!
What about this one? What number is that?
5.
5. What color is that?
Purple.
Purple. What shape is that?
Whip.
I think it's a hexagon.
Hexagon. Does it go here?
Ooh, this one's going to be your favorite. What number is that?
3.
3. How old are you? 3. What color is that?
I like snow and my heart to be from the snow.
Yeah.
What color is that?
Yeah.
Green.
Green. What shape is that?
Oh.
A heart. You know Mommy loves you with all her heart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It goes here. It goes here.
Good job. What number is that?
1.
Color?
Orange.
Orange. And what shape is that?
A star.
A star. You can do it. Triangle.
Angle.
What? Triangle.
Triangle.
Triangle. Alright, you guys. So now after we're done playing, we normally always have a little bit of
School time.
school time. And we've been working on this book. We've had this one for a while, and we've had a bunch of stuff spill on it, so I'm surprised it's still good.
Mommy, who gave me this one?
I bought it. So this one is the Brain Quest Workbook Pre-K edition. It's for ages 4 through 5. No, thank you. It's ages 4 through 5. She's been working on it since she was like 2.5, I believe. And like I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that at all, but she, with her R's, she likes to trace them instead of color them. And when we were first starting them out, she would scribble on them. So she is getting so much better. She is learning how to read and learning how to write. And good job, you found the small S. Now there's one more small S.
Mom? Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Like reading a crib.
Hey, this. But with school time, I normally do it until she gets super distracted and decides that it's done, or whenever she makes a game out of it. Because, good job. High five. Nux. Ooh, did that hurt? You got my ring. But yeah, we normally do this until she decides to be done. Ooh, this is a new page. Okay. Or when she decides that it's a game. I don't like her to treat it like a game because she is learning. So whenever she starts goofing off, we just call it quits. I got this candle, the watermelon candle, for Christmas.
No, not for Christmas, for me and you, and for me and Daddy and Opa.
Yeah, but I got it for Christmas, right?
Which candle?
The watermelon one.
No, me and Daddy and Opa got it.
Oh, okay. So I got that candle. No, thank you.
For me and Opa.
I got that candle from Ivonna, Opa, and Jacob for Christmas. And it is making my house smell so delicious. Like, I actually thoroughly enjoy that scent.
Never knew that it could feel this way when you lie next to someone. You don't even need to play pretend, 'cause you find the way you are. I wanna know you better, give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. stay forever. Will you lying in my arms? My heart is open.
Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna try to be a little bit more quiet right now because Ivonna is taking her nap. It is like 1:35 and she, if all goes good, she will wake up around 3. That means that I have about an hour and a half to quickly pick up and then have like maybe half an hour to myself. But I did want to show you guys what I've been working on. So I have been working so hard on my menu board right here. If you guys remember, this fork and that spoon were actually right here, which is why there's like 2 little nails in the chimney there. And yeah, this is just our dinner menu for the week.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah, I would, just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17. When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace.